Welcome back to my session. So let's take our NETWORKDAYS.INTL a bit further. So let's say we have this set of names and the days at which they come to the office differs. So if we look at Adeyemi and McQueen's, they will be in the office on Mondays to Fridays, and we have Joshua also. Or if we look at the likes of Momodu will be in the office Saturday, Sunday, Omoshewa Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What this basically means is their weekend differs. So how do we know the total work days they have in the year? If we are using a start date of January 1st and end date of December 31st, 2025. So what is the total number of work days they have? So the easiest way we would have done this is replace our X, which is the days they will be in the office as zeros, and the empty cell, replace them with one. This is the easiest way. But let's take a refresher for those that have forgotten how we use our Power Query Editor to replace values. So all we need to do is right click on the table, then get data from table or range. Then let's hold on a bit while our Power Query Editor opens for us to replace a set of values. So our Power Query Editor is coming up. So let's just try to hold on a bit. So our Power Query Editor is taking time to load. Okay, good. So we have our Power Query Editor here. What do we need to do? All we need to do is just to replace the values. So we want to replace the null and the x. So let's try to replace our x and null. So we're trying to replace our x, we're replacing it as zeros, and also we are replacing our null. We're replacing our null, replacing it as 1. Good. Then what next do we need to do? Let's merge these. We're merging columns. Good. Okay. So we've merged these. Okay, fine. So let's load this on a table. So let's close and load this to a table. A Parker editor is taking time to load today. A Parker editor is taking time to load. Okay, we have an existing sheet. We want it to be here. Then, okay. So we have our table here loaded. So what will be the work days? So this will be easy for us now. So we can then say equals our networkdays.intl. Then what's our start date? Our start date is January. Let's fix this. Comma. What's our end date? This is our end date. And let's fix this also. Come on. Then what's our weekend? Then we can select this as our weekend. Then so what it means is Adeyemi would have 261 days in a year. And also if we want to specify our holidays, all we need to do is put this back on edit mode. We hit our comma, then we can highlight our holidays. Let's not forget to fix the range. then that's all. Thank you very much for today's session. See you next